In the heart of southeastern New Mexico, something beautiful is happening, right here on the sidewalk. While devastation struck the town of Ruidoso, 3 young girls, just 7, 10, and 12 years old, decided they weren't too small to make a difference. Meet Kinslee, Addie, and Chloe, best friends, big hearts, and the founders of a lemonade stand with a mission.
We wanted to set up a lemonade stand because whenever we were looking on Facebook, we saw 2 kids passed away. And so we wanted... And the flood for Ruidoso.
Yes, so we wanted to do a lemonade stand so that we could raise money for the people in Ruidoso to get their lives back.
And we just wanted to really give their parents some money. And then
So that they could maybe buy another house.
They had no sponsors, no big budget, just love, a few lemons, and a whole lot of heart.
It made us feel sad for the people that had to have stuff happen to their lives and their families. Hope it helps people get some houses and food if they need some. We hope that it helps them rebuild their lives from all the flood damage and stuff.
And we hope they really get a really nice house.
The idea started with Kinslee, just 7 years old, after seeing the news of the tragic loss of 2 children.
She was looking at Facebook videos with me last night about the flood, and we saw that 5 and a 6-year-old had passed away. And she said that it made her really sad, so she had a great idea, and she wanted to come up with a lemonade stand for today, but wanted her best friends to do it with her. Doing anything.
I'm just so proud of them. Their heart is just so sweet and innocent at this age, and I think everything that the world is going through right now, the sweet and innocent, brings us back to, just helping out.
And the community noticed. Cars pulled over, first responders stopped by, strangers became customers, and one man summed it up simply.
Oh, it's awesome. I think it's cool idea, especially to help out the families. It's good for them, to come out here and do that for them up there.
It makes us feel happy that we get to help people.
Yes.
And probably save some of their lives if they're hungry. And hope that they can use the money for good.
And help them.
But this wasn't just a one-day event. It was a life lesson.
Well, it made me want to cry. Just because her heart is so pure. She's just so caring about complete and total strangers. That just made me happy.
We're so blessed. Both of our families are beyond blessed, and realizing that other people go through things that we can give to and we can pour our blessings onto them, I think that's a big example that they'll learn.
So what's the message these girls want to share?
I want to help a lot of people so they could
Get some houses. We will say to other kids that if you do want to help, and just think of some good ideas that you could do that could help the community and people around you, and just see what you could do about them.
In a world filled with noise, these kids remind us what really matters: kindness, community, and compassion. If 3 little girls with big hearts can make a difference, so can you.